Hello everyone, it's day 10 and I'm so proud of you for hanging in there. We've made it to day 10 and today is all about sound production. So there are many ways to make a good sound on a cello. It's really a combination obviously of your bow speed and the weight you have, vibrato, and also bow distribution. So it has a lot to do with your bow. So today I want you to focus a little bit on your sound and find ways to make it sound good. Make it sound round, make it sound resonant by adding the right amount of vibrato if you already are doing vibrato. Otherwise, try to find the right spot on the string so that it makes the best sound. Because, for example, when you go higher on the cello, it's better to go nearer to the bridge. I'm talking about the bow. So higher the position on the left hand, higher the note, higher, closer it should be to the bridge. So you have to find that sweet spot. And I always say this, there's no like exact formula because every cello and every player is indeed different, but you need to think about all these things. And the most important thing is to have the expectation of the sound that you want. So try to imagine that beautiful sound and then let your body find that sound. And try to use a couple notes from, let's say your concerto, Try to find a beautiful round sound. Then move your bow a little bit more. Do what you gotta do to make the perfect sound for you, right? And try to have a beautiful sound on every note, not be squeaky. Okay, so when it squeaks, that means you might be in the wrong part of the string or you're pressing too hard. So keep the bow moving, and don't press. So those are some suggestions. So definitely show me how you're creating the beautiful sound, your most beautiful sound on Instagram. I'm at Cellist Wendy Law. Definitely tag me and use the hashtag. You can have lessons with me, micro one, mini one, and longer ones. We're gonna get through this together during this little bit tough time for us during human history. For all the information down below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. All right, we're gonna get ready for day 11. Are you ready?